Hey, good morning. Look at this. Hier. Oh. Was habe ich hier? Ist da ein Bild von? Yeah. Look at this. We're gonna open this today. So, look what I have today here. Costco. A light. Like the string light for like gazebo. But this time with batteries and solar panel. And today we are going to open this up. You know? Yeah, there is tape here. And we're gonna look inside here. How it goes. Can I see already something? Oh, there's more tape left and right. Look at that. Oh my God. No way. You wouldn't believe what I just see. Okay, let's take the camera around. Artica. The name of this LED E26. The shape is S14. 2700 Kelvin is the light. 3 volt. And it's 20 bulbs. And look what I see. Do you see what I see? Look. No way. There is a solar panel in here with batteries, 2 batteries, lithium-ion batteries, replaceable. No way. The future reference instruction manual. Look how many lights there are on this picture. No way. I wonder how many of those lights, how long this can handle this. Oh, wow, look at that. This is like material. And then what is this? Like a lot of wires. Look at this. How many? Are you kidding? Replacement light bulbs. It says 3 volt LED on it. Then this dry pack. Super dry desiccant bag. And a bunch of screws. No way. So I could put this along the fence here. For example. I don't know. Look at that. And it has like a normal thing here for 3 volt, I guess. So here we go. So we have 20 light bulbs with a string in between. Extension cable for it. A mount, either clip mount or a stake for the ground to mount this solar panel here that has a lid to close the battery holder in here. There, it comes with 2 18650 batteries, a little screwdriver to screw this together, and it comes with a USB-C cable to charge those batteries from this enclosure. It's amazing. And a remote control to turn this whole thing on and off. It's just nuts. Let me put the batteries in and see how it lights up. So those batteries in here are going in parallel. They both go in the same direction. I'm not going to close this up for now. Oh. Come on. It doesn't want to go in. There's only one direction you can use this. Okay. So this is how this looks like. I don't know. Here you unzip this and then your battery should be good. So the infrared must be here somewhere. Can you see this? "20 LEDs, all of them are working. On, off. I don't know, it has a dimmer, but that doesn't work. Dimming doesn't, oh! I don't know what this does. When you do the right and left. Oh no, look. It's pulsating. So it has different modes. The modes we have to figure out what that does. But it has them. And you have timers. 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour. And on off. That's amazing. That's an amazing feat. Alright, so I guess we're gonna try this. I don't know from where to where I string it. Amazing. Okay. So I hope you liked this. Where's my face? I hope you liked this. Here. That's where you put in your, where you get reminded of this, the dog. I don't know how to get out of face track. I can't get the camera off my face. No matter how I turn it, I cannot show you the dog. Here I can move it around and it doesn't move. I'm locked in. There. So, just wanted to show you this dog here. This dog took his ball and put it on my leg, and then I have like dirt on my leg now. Here, there he is. He wants to play so bad.